Welcome back, guys. We're going to be making cookies today, and we're going to be using the Luvele Vibe blender to help us out. We're making vegan chocolate and date cookies. They're packed full of good ingredients, perfect breakfast or on-the-go snack. The first thing you need to do is to preheat your oven to 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit and get 2 cookie trays ready with some baking paper. For this recipe, we're going to split our ingredients into 2 parts. 1 part for the batter that will mix up in the Vibe blender, and a few other dry ingredients to fold through to give texture and to hold them together. We're going to start with those ones by just putting them into a big mixing bowl. So we've got 2 cups of shredded coconut, 100 grams of dark dairy-free or vegan chocolate chopped into small pieces, half a cup of rolled oats, and 6 pitted MEDJOOL dates roughly chopped. Give it a quick mix to combine those ingredients. Now onto the batter, and it's just a matter of adding all of these ingredients into the blender jug at once. You'll need 1 cup of almond milk or another plant-based milk, 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil or vegan butter, 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter or any other nut butter of your choice, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of almond flour, 3/4 of a cup of coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Blend that up on smoothie mode for around 20 seconds or until you get a smooth batter. When that's all done, you can get that into the dry ingredients, give it a quick fold through, and then you can start shaping the cookies. So now it's just about spooning the mixture onto the trays. You can use a tablespoon for this, or if you have one of these mechanized ice cream scoops, these are super handy for this. I'm going to shape them a little bit with my fingers. They don't spread much in the oven, and then we can get them straight in. The cookies are out of the oven now and they look really good. I've just sprinkled some flaked sea salt over the top for extra flavor. Leave them to cool on the trays for around 10 minutes. You can put them on a wire rack to cool completely if you like. Otherwise, go ahead and eat them. They'll store in an airtight container in the pantry for 5 days. I got 15 good-sized cookies out of this batch today. You could make them a little smaller or bigger, but you'll have to adjust your cooking time to suit. So that's our recipe for today. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give the video a like for us and hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life content and other ways to use your appliances at home. We hope you give these cookies a go at home, and if you do, let us know how you go in the comment section below. We look forward to seeing you again next time for another Luvele Life recipe.